Hi guys, you are watching Go IT Center, and in this video within 1 minute I will let you know that how we can block any email address or domain onto the Outlook. So let's start the video. So if you are receiving any spam email or you want to block any specific email or domain, then you have to follow these steps. You have to click onto the once you inside the Outlook email, then you have to click onto the apps, click onto the all apps, then you have to click onto the admin. After that you have to click onto the show all, then security, then email and collaboration, policies and rules, thread policies. Click onto the thread policies, then scroll down it, then tenant, allow or block list. You have to click on that, then you have to apply add block, click onto the block. Now here we have to add our email addresses, so we can add domain as well. If you want to block any specific domain, means you don't want to receive any email from a respected domain or any particular domain, then you have to type the domain here like abc.com. And in my case I want to block one email address that is associated or belongs to the Gmail. So I'm going to block one email address, not entire the domain. So this is the email address that needs to be blocked. Remove block entry after, so we will specify here never expire. You can give comments as well if you want to give anything here for future, or for if you want to remember something. It means for the memory purpose, if you want to add some comments over here, you can. We have added the email address, never expire, and that's it. Add it. So you can see that entry has been added. So we have successfully blocked our respected email. Now this guy will not able to send the email on any of our domain email, so we have blocked him. So in this manner, through this way forward, you can block any email or entire domain if you don't want to receive any email, or you can stop spam emails through this way forward. So thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. Stay safe. Bye bye.